Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In today's video, I'll show you how to add and insert a logo into your Word document. This will make it appear on all pages. So let's dive right in. First, open the Word header by double-clicking at the top of the page. Then go to the top left and click on Insert, followed by Pictures. Choose the logo from your computer and click on Insert. Resize the logo as needed and adjust its position using the layout options. Close the header by double-clicking in the main body of the document. Now your logo will appear on all pages of the document. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.